Everybody, awesome Cuber here. So today I have the shangshou 5x5. So I have the 2x2, and it turns really nice. So I like all the shangshou cubes. They all turn really nice. So there's the 2x2. So here's the 3x3. It also turns very nicely. So yeah, I like them. And then I also have the 4x4 shangshou cube. But it also gets caught a lot though. But the 3x3 and 2x2 don't. So I don't know. We don't know. And then here's the shangshou silver mirror cube that I have. That's shangshou. Then I also have the shangshou silver mirror cube. So I have that. So the mirror cubes are harder to solve. A little harder to solve, but it's almost the same as 3x3, but a little different. So yeah. So yeah, they all turn pretty nicely, and so yeah. So yeah, there's the gold one as well. So yeah, and I also have the 3x3 Mega Minx by shangshou. It turns really nice, except like this one side has springs, but the rest of them, some of them don't turn very well. But yeah, they have the springs are the spring. But let's open this up. Yeah. Yeah, that's a lot of package. There's also a book on in it, so yeah, it's a lot bigger than the 4x. Well, actually, it's not that bad. It's a little, actually, it's a little tiny, it's much bigger actually. Yeah, it's a little tiny bit bigger, but heaviness wise, this is a lot heavier. So yeah. So first turns, it is a little greasy though, so yeah. Now, so I'm going to put it in the checkerboard pattern. Here we go. I don't have very much to say about it, but it is really nice, and like on here you can't pop off any caps, but here it is. I pop off the caps. So let's see here. Yeah. Yep, you can pop off the cap. So here's a screw. See, like, yeah, they're the same exact screw for those. Now let's put it in that. Alright, so yeah, I think it's pretty nice. Yeah, and I really like the shangshou cubes, so that's nice. And yeah, and I know how to solve it, so it'll be nice. So it's pretty much the same as solving the 4x4, except you have this middle layer. So yeah. So, but I like all my cubes, but I'm glad like the shangshou cube. The middle, it's not the middle layer on the shangshou 4x4. Like when you're going this way, it's really springy and tight, but that's only on the 4x4. I haven't seen that on any other cubes. But yeah. So yeah, I think the 5x5 is nice and it's pretty big. Again, numbers, I think it's really nice. So yeah, I really like it and I think it's a good cube. So yeah, 5x5 shangshou cube. So yeah. So I'll get back to you when I have my unboxing and all my other videos. So yeah, bye.